Gulmohar Reader, Chapter 1, page number 2. What's that noise? Let's talk about the first picture that we see on this page, children. Look at this beautiful green field. And look at those big trees. And here, there's a fence too. And there are some sheep. And there's a cow sitting on the grass. And there's a sheep who's eating the grass too. What is this sound coming out of the sheep? B-A-A? Ba. Oh, ba, the sound of the sheep. Children, now let's talk about the second picture on the same page. Look at this little girl who is standing at the door in her pretty dress. She is thinking about something. Okay, so there is this man who seems to be her father. There's a sound coming out while this man is sleeping. That sound is zzz. I am sure this girl is confused that from where this sound is coming. Now children, this man is in his deep sleep, and sometimes when people are in their deep sleep, there are certain types of sounds which come out from their mouth or from their nose. That's the same sound coming out while the little girl's father is sleeping. He must have fell asleep while watching the television on his green sofa. Children, can you see the room? There are two big photo frames hanging on the wall. And there's a paper on the table too. Now that girl, she is sure that where that zzz sound coming from. The little girl is going to hear some more sounds now. Now let's see what she is going to hear. Ba. What do we mean by ba? Children, ba. Ba is the sound of the sheep. See? This ba sound is coming from the sheep, so it is the sound of the sheep. That is a very loud ba. Loud. Now what do we mean by the word loud? Children, loud. Can you see this speaker? There's some loud sound coming out of that speaker, which is referred to as noise. Children, loud means not quiet, making a lot of noise. So, this loud ba is referred as the sound of the sheep, which is not quiet, which is very noisy. Is it the cow? Now the girl thinks that the ba sound is of the cow. Then she realized, no, it is the sheep. It was not the sound of the cow. It was the sound of the sheep. Zzz or grrr. You know, what is this sound? Let's see. Now what's that noise? Now the girl thinks, what's that zzz sound? She thinks, is it the bird? Is it the dog? Is it the sheep? No, it is father. Can you see this picture? This man sitting on the sofa is this girl's father. The sound of zzz is coming from his father. Now what is this sound? Children, this sound we are going to discuss. He is fast asleep. Now let's see, what do we mean by sleep? Look here, this boy is also sleeping and the same z sound is coming from the boy. Children, asleep means a deep sleep. This man is here in a deep sleep and that sound is coming when he is in that deep sleep. He is fast asleep. It means he is in a very deep sleep. He is snoring. What is this word snoring? Let's see. Look, this boy is also sleeping and the sound of snore is coming out of his mouth or nose maybe. Let's see. Children, snoring means to breathe noisily through your nose and mouth while you are asleep. Breathe noisily through your nose and mouth while you are asleep. This man who is sleeping, this girl's father, is in a very deep sleep. And that snoring sound is coming either from his mouth or from his nose because he is in his deep sleep. Let's do a quick reading one more time. Ba. That is a very loud ba. Is it the cow? No, it is the sheep. Zzz. Now what's that noise? Is it the bird? Is it the dog? Is it the sheep? No, it is father. He is fast asleep. He is snoring.